I do. My question would be, why would I be paying child support, and why would I be paying back child support for?
You're paying child support because your child doesn't reside with you. Your child resides with his mother.
So
Y'all
that's only
made her
for
the
3 days out of
primary
a week.
conservator.
So since she had him for 3 days out of a week, and because he stays with her for 3 days out of a week, I have to pay 400 and some odd number you just said a week just because she stays with him for 3 days out of a week.
Mr. Fox, you did not contest joint her being the primary conservator, did you?
I
No,
did.
you
I asked for joint
agreed to
custody.
y'all being joint managing conservators, with her being primary and getting to determine where the child lives, where the child's residency.
This is the second part of the child support shock video, and here we learn that it sounds like the law doesn't make any sense. Now, I don't know. Here in Maryland, what happens is it doesn't matter if you call it shared or joint or whatever, the person who has the child more than the other person tends to not owe child support. So, because it just doesn't sound like the judge is listening. It doesn't sound like she listened to what the overnights were. It doesn't sound like if what she's saying is true, if it flows. So because she says that the child is primarily with her, it's true even if the numbers don't bear out. That wouldn't float in Maryland. It just wouldn't. In Maryland, our child support is on two different calculators. One is the sole custody calculator, which is where the other person has the child. The non-custodial parent has the child less than 92 overnights out of the year, right? And the shared custody calculator, from about 92 overnights to both of you having 183 or 182 overnights, it's called shared. Now, some people really hone in on this whole primary thing in Maryland, but that doesn't really get you far. If your ex has 130 overnights, or if your ex has 160 overnights and you got the remainder, you do not have primary custody. Not in Maryland. Now, where this is, apparently that's true. But I don't know if that's true. It sounds like the judge isn't listening at all. I'd appeal. I would, for real. If the law is similar to ours. But again, I don't know their law at all.